Okay, we got a 2024 Dodge Ram. We're gonna go ahead and add a key. I'm gonna do the KM100 because for whatever reason the X-Force failed. So we're gonna go Dodge, we're gonna go manual. North America. Now Ram 1500 DT right here. Sparky program. Yes. We have the hotspot connected. I'm gonna go control unit, read the immobilizer code. Okay. Got the pin. We'll go okay. I'll go back. I'm plugged up to the OBD and the start connector right there. I go key learning. Okay. We're gonna get the key. We're gonna pull it right, pressing the button. These cars sometimes takes a few tries. Let's see if we can get on the first try. All right, we got it. Press release and press OK. Yep, that's the new key.